Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Elaine Wan and I am Associate Professor of Cardiology and Cardiac Electrophysiology at Columbia University. I am the Director of EP Research and Vice Chair of this writing committee for this AHA scientific statement focused on periprocedural management and multidisciplinary care pathways for patients with cardiac implantable electronic devices. The inspiration for this particular scientific statement was basically a dedication to all the practitioners that interact with patients with cardiac implantable devices. Since the last American Heart Association expert consensus statement with the Heart Rhythm Society and the American Society of Anesthesiology was published in Heart Rhythm in 2011, there have been rapid technological advancements, so much so that there are more devices implanted in patients more than ever. And we do different things now with advanced technology. Specifically, the devices are placed including pacemakers, defibrillators, loop recorders, leadless pacemakers, subcutaneous as well as extravascular devices. We wanted to take this opportunity to discuss the management of these devices during a range of procedures, including during MRI imaging, surgery to radiotherapy. And with the advent of the leadless pacemakers into our community and into our patients, we thought that this paper was timely. And this scientific statement was imperative to update the various clinical communities that interact with these devices and to provide a framework as to how to perform periprocedural management of the patients. And here we outline the planning phase, procedural phase, and subsequent care post-procedural workflow. And as I mentioned before, it was very important for us to establish a multidisciplinary writing group that would appraise the current evidence and offer management work strategies that would be of clinical use to the different academic as well as clinical practices. There's a tremendous gap in healthcare ranging from radiology imaging, which is necessary to identify these devices, as well as to nurses and other providers on how to care for these patients with these devices while they're undergoing outpatients or inpatient procedures. So the purpose of this statement really was to maximize dissemination of this information and the advances in electrophysiology on these devices now being put into our patients and how to manage them during the various procedures.